Hello guys, I warmly welcome to my YouTube channel Could be DK sir once again. So in the previous video we discussed about what is a pivot table in Excel. So we discussed the case study theory part, what is pivot table, why we are using pivot table, what is the main purpose of using the pivot table, right? And all the property of the pivot table and which tab we have to go to the insert tab and use the pivot table. So we just said how we are going to step into, right? Today, we are going to see practically how we are going to use pivot table. So, sorry. As per the theory discussion, pivot table always summarize the data quickly and faster. With the help of pivot table, we are creating dashboard in Excel, right? So let's see how we go for this. So you can see my data. I've already opened the data set here. Now we are going to implement here. So suppose you have a huge amount of data. I want to summarize. Suppose I want to see all the pizza name here, right? Suppose I have a huge amount of data, so I have to scroll, it take a lot of time. Suppose I have company name inside, right? Suppose I have company data, sales, so it will take a lot of time to search one by one. But with the help of pivot table, we are able to summarize data quickly and faster. So let's see, simple. You have to go to the insert tab. You can see pivot table. Click on this. Once you insert the pivot table, you can see it's already selected, right? All the range of data set. So you can see what is a new worksheet or existing. So obviously we have to take a new worksheet that is going to more clear. So see, I just click on new worksheet. And this pivot table fields like last time I taught in the PPTs, I already attached all the screenshot of this, right? So pivot table fields here, as you can see, guys. Now, if I want to see all the pizza name, I want to see pizza category or any specific information. And these are the fields between area below, right? So you can see the fields, filter, column, rows, and values, right? So suppose I want to see pizza name, I simply click on the pizza name. So guys, you can see it summarize all the pizza name which one existing in my data set. Suppose I want to check each of the pizza category, means which pizza belongs to which category. So click on this. So you can see just showing all the pizza veg and non-veg category as well. I want to see the pizza code. So you can see each of the pizza code here. By code, we can also identify code is working as a primary key for it. Price of the each of the pizza. Once I click in the price, or you can see all the price of the pizza here. See, it's very easy and you are able to perform this summarize your data quickly and faster. It's not take a much time. Even if you want to see sales, so each of the pizza sales, right? You want to see unsold, you can see the unsold as well, right? So this is where you can summarize your data. And guys, also you can see the bottom is going to make a grand total, even you don't need to use any specific formula, it's going to make automated, right? Even on the filter, suppose I want to drag and drop any specific option on the filter. So you can drag and drop as well, hold it proper, drop it here. You can use the filter as well from here. Say suppose I want to see date wise, by default selected all. Suppose I want to see the sales of date wise, even you click on this, right? Uncheck all, right? Suppose I want to see 3rd January 2023, click OK. You can see. In 3rd January 2023, what is the pizza details here? Which pizza name, price, sum of sales, and answer. Okay. So we already apply the filter. You can see the funnel icon. Once we apply the filters, funnel icon will visible there, right? Now we're going to use a pivot chart. Like we have discussed the pivot chart here. So here you can use the pivot chart like normal chart features I will discuss. So for the pivot table, you have to use the pivot chart. Click on this pivot chart. And here you can see column, chart, bar chart, line chart, which one you already discussed in previous video. You can use any of them here. Click OK. You can see. You can easily drag and drop, right? You can resize as well. So even from here, you can see page one name. Click on this. This chart automated connected with the pivot table. Suppose I want to say deluxe. Click OK. To see deluxe information, deluxe which category, non-veg category, pizza code, price, sales, and unsold. And here you can also see. Okay. So here some of the price code display blue color, some of the price display orange and some of the cells showing the silver color here. You can see, right? So this is where you can do the analysis also from chart. Next one, we are going to insert the slicer here. So go to the insert option and slicer. Slicer, what does? Filter the data quickly and faster. Suppose I take it here, pizza coat, and I took it pizza. How many want you can take it? I just take it two only. Look at here. You can easily simple arrange. Okay. Now, if I click pizza code one, you can see. So pizza code one data is filtered and showing a pizza code one margarita, veg categories. Here you can also see margarita, right? So this is way you can simply summarize data two, Sago, three, if I click farmhouse, fourth, deluxe non-veg category, fifth, you can see double cheese veg. So this is way you can summarize your data case quickly and faster with the help of the pivot table and pivot chart. So you can see my data reflect everywhere chart, pivot table C1. You can see margarita here also, margarita here, and on the slicer as well. So once you summarize your data, the data summarize a chart as well as a pivot table and a slicer as well. Okay. So this is way once you make a dashboard, you can simply take your data, connect with the slicer. Okay. Even if you want to change the slicer style, you can change the slicer color as well. You can say whatever you're looking for, you can change it as. Okay. So this is where you can going to make a pivot table. So this is a use quick analysis, right? You are able to summarize your data quickly and faster. You can save your time, right? So same way going to make a dashboard. You can take a data from different sources. I can make a proper dashboard analysis with the help of the pivot table, in pivot table, pivot chart, and slicer tool as well. Okay, so this is all about your pivot table, guys. That's really very important topic in advanced Excel. Normally, even in company, people wants to work in, they using daily basis. Okay, so that's it for this video. Then see you next session. Thank you so much, guys.